This is not Japan. This actually is in Romania, in Iași, in the Botanical Garden, in another garden in the big beautiful garden, exactly the Japanese garden. Okay, stick with me on this. After a little bit of research, we found out that some of the best things that this city has to offer are its parks and gardens. Yes, we do approve. Our hotel was at a walking distance from the Botanical Garden of Iași. The Iași Botanical Garden is the oldest and the largest in Romania. It was established in 1856 and spans over 80 hectares of land. The garden is divided in 12 areas, including the word flora section, the rosary section, or even the useful plants section. This half-day walk through the amazing Botanical Garden of Iași was one of our favorite things to do in this amazing historical city in Romania. We were very lucky to be here at the beginning of summer and still see the impressive number of tulips displayed. It really is a must-see if you ever have the opportunity to visit this beautiful city. For several hours of incredible beauty, we have paid 15 lei per person. We have left the Botanical Garden from the same point that we have entered, exactly through the exhibition park. Our second stop for this day was at the most famous tree in Romania, the linden tree of Eminescu. This is the tree where lovers come, artists worship, and poems are read. Also, this is one of the oldest trees in the country, being around 540 years old. This was not a typical travel vlog, but sometimes we are speechless in front of beauty. If you want to be part of our Travelicious family, join us and let's explore the world together. Until next time, don't forget to put Romania on your traveling list.